How to activate Bank of America debit card. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Bank of America debit card using the mobile app in just a few easy steps. So first, open the Bank of America mobile app on your phone. So once the app loads, you will see your checking and credit balances. Tap on your checking account to see your recent transactions. Scroll down and look for debit card settings. Tap on it to proceed. You will now see your debit card listed. Below it, you will find the Activate button. Tap it. Next, enter the expiration date and the 3-digit security code from the back of your card. Once you have entered the info, tap Done and then tap Verify, and that's it. Your debit card is now activated and ready to use. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.